Hi there and welcome. In this audio, I'll walk you through how to use Trello, one of the easiest and most popular tools for organizing tasks, projects, and teamwork. Whether you're managing your personal goals or working with a team, Trello keeps everything visual and simple. Once you've signed up or logged into Trello, the first thing you'll do is create a board. Think of a board as your project's workspace. For example, if you're managing schoolwork, you can name your board Assignments. If it's for work, maybe call it Marketing Campaign or Client Projects. Choose a background, give it a title, and you're ready to go. Inside your board, you'll see columns called lists. Lists help you break your project into stages. A common setup is to do, tasks you haven't started yet. In progress, tasks you're currently working on. Done, completed tasks. Now, let's talk about cards, which are the heart of Trello. A card is simply a task or an item you want to keep track of. For example, under to do, you might add cards like write blog post, design social media graphic, schedule client call. Cards can be moved between lists just by dragging and dropping. This way, you can actually see your progress as tasks move forward. Clicking on a card opens up powerful features. Here you can write a description of the task, add checklists to break work into smaller steps, set due dates so deadlines don't sneak up on you, attach files, links, or images, assign tasks to team members. For example, if the card is write blog post, the checklist can include research, outline, draft, edit, and publish. Trello isn't just for individuals. It's amazing for teamwork. You can invite people to your board and assign them tasks. Use labels to color code tasks by priority, category, or department. You can also leave comments inside cards to give feedback or updates. This keeps communication clear and avoids endless email chains. Trello also has features called Power UPS that connect to other tools. For example, you can add Google Drive to attach documents, a calendar view to see all deadlines, or Slack to get notifications. This makes Trello much more powerful and personalized to your workflow. And that's how you use Trello. Start by creating a board, build your lists, add tasks as cards, customize them with details, and invite your team to collaborate. It's simple, visual, and keeps you in control of your projects. If you found this helpful, go ahead and try setting up your first Trello board today.